we're going to connect our USB with either our external speakers or external Bluetooth speakers, or maybe in your case, a sound system, or just connect it to your Bluetooth headset. To do this, we're gonna need our device and the audio cable. Connecting just the audio cable with the device, you cannot do anything. So let's just start. First, we have to make sure it's in transmission mode, not RX. RX is receiving mode. We don't need the receiving mode. We need the TX or transmission mode. So make sure it's in transmission mode. Now we connect our 3.5 mm to the transmission mode here. That's the first thing. Now in my case, audio is right on here. So if I plug audio only, you're gonna see no flashing lights, neither red nor blue. That means not connected. So we can't do basically anything this way. It's not gonna transmit audio. Also, if we come and connect the USB, we can see the light and it's flashing, but it's not gonna transmit any audio. Let's go and see. Audio we're listening to is from the TV. If I bring my speaker, my Bluetooth speaker, turn it on, it's not gonna receive any audio. So what do I have to do? I would recommend also you turn the TV off before you continue, or you might just want to risk it like me, and then we go to audio. For the Bluetooth to work, you need to connect the audio jack to the earphone or auxiliary or 3.5 mm here. Both of them need to be connected. This connected to the USB and this connected to the device. So the red light here is looking for Bluetooth device to connect to, and I'm gonna connect my headphone, my Bluetooth headphone. So it starts searching. Connected to my Bluetooth headphone. So let's see if we can hear.